Hello friends, welcome back to Global Travel Venture. Ever wondered what the craziest things found by airport security are? Well, my friends, you're in for a wild ride today. In the vast world of aviation, airport security is the unsung hero, the gatekeeper, the watchful eye. It's the last line of defense between us and the sky, ensuring that our flights are as safe as possible. Throughout the years, airport security personnel have come across a dazzling array of peculiar, dangerous, and downright bizarre items. These discoveries range from the mildly amusing to the seriously alarming, and they all underscore the importance of the work that these diligent professionals do every single day. Think about it. Every suitcase that slides down the conveyor belt is a mystery box. It could contain anything from a beloved teddy bear to a pair of shoes. Or, as we'll soon discover, something far more outlandish. It's a testament to the unpredictability of human nature and the sheer diversity of the items we choose to travel with. And let's not forget about the dangerous items. Yes, those objects that make us question, what on earth was this person thinking? From replica explosives to concealed weapons, these finds serve as a stark reminder of the potential threats that airport security is constantly working to neutralize. And then there are the bizarre finds. These are the discoveries that leave even seasoned security personnel scratching their heads in disbelief. They're the items that sound too strange to be true, the kind of things you'd expect to find in a wild movie plot rather than a carry-on bag. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey of discovery. We'll explore the wild, the weird, and the downright wacky world of airport security finds. From live creatures to hidden weapons, from illicit substances to the downright bizarre, we'll uncover it all. Are you ready to satisfy your curiosity? Are you prepared to venture into the unknown? Good, because it's time to delve into the world of the unexpected and bizarre. Let's get started. Imagine finding a live tiger cub amidst luggage. A statement that sounds like a plot twist from a Hollywood movie, but for airport security, it's just another day at the office. One of the most memorable instances of this was back in 2010, when a woman in Bangkok tried to smuggle a sedated tiger cub in her suitcase. The cub, barely 2 months old, was found nestled among stuffed toy tigers, a ruse to outsmart the X-ray machines. But the vigilant eyes of the security staff noticed the cub's heartbeat. Imagine their surprise and disbelief when the stuffed toy turned out to be a living, breathing creature. The woman was promptly arrested, and the cub, named Suitcase, was taken to a wildlife conservation center. The incident served as a stark reminder of the illegal wildlife trade that is rampant across the globe, and the lengths people will go to for it. But tigers aren't the only creatures airport security has discovered in luggage. From tarantulas in Amsterdam to pythons in Miami, and even a crocodile causing a plane crash in the Democratic Republic of Congo, the list goes on. Each case is a testament to the audacity of passengers and the vigilance of airport security. In each of these instances, the reactions of the security staff ranged from shock and disbelief to fear and concern. The subsequent consequences for the passengers were severe, ranging from hefty fines to lengthy jail terms. These stories underscore the importance of their work and the challenges they face daily. It's not just about finding prohibited items, but also protecting wildlife and maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems worldwide. Yes, airport security has seen it all, from the wild to the extremely dangerous. They stand as our first line of defense, ensuring that our skies remain safe for all. You'd be surprised at what some people attempt to smuggle through security. The lengths to which individuals will go to hide weapons of all shapes and sizes can be truly astounding. And when we say weapons, we're not just talking about the usual suspects like guns and knives. Oh no, the array of contraband that has been discovered by airport security is far more varied and sometimes quite shocking. From small handguns tucked away inside teddy bears to large blades concealed in walking sticks, the creativity of these smugglers is nothing short of bewildering. And it's not just the conventional weapons that raise eyebrows. There was once a live grenade found in a carry-on bag at Los Angeles International Airport. Yes, you heard that right, a live grenade. The entire terminal had to be evacuated until the bomb squad was able to safely dispose of it. Talk about a delay. In another instance, a man was caught with a lipstick that was no ordinary cosmetic. The seemingly harmless item was actually a cleverly disguised .22 caliber pistol. This happened at Burlington International Airport in Vermont, and the security staff were understandably shocked. And who could forget the time when a knife was found hidden inside a baguette at a small airport in France? The blade was concealed so well within the crusty loaf that it was only discovered when the bag was scanned. Quite a sharp surprise, wouldn't you say? The stories are endless and they serve as a stark reminder of the critical role airport security plays in keeping us safe. They are the unsung heroes, working tirelessly behind the scenes, using their training and intuition to pick out these dangerous items from the millions of bags that pass through their scanners every day. An airport is no place for weaponry, no matter how small or seemingly harmless. So the next time you're packing for a trip, remember to double-check your luggage. You never know what you might have forgotten in there. From the dangerous to the downright strange, airport security has seen it all. Each day brings a new surprise, a new story. Let's delve into some of the most peculiar items that have ever been intercepted. Imagine this. It's a quiet day at the Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. Suddenly, the routine tranquility is shattered when the X-ray machine reveals a human skull nestled in a traveler's carry-on. Yes, you heard it right, a human skull. Discovered in 2012, the owner claimed to have purchased it from a shop selling natural history items. Unbeknownst to him, transporting human remains requires specific documentation, a fact he was soon apprised of. Now, let's journey to Italy, in the year 2011. The Italian airport security, accustomed to the bizarre, was left flabbergasted when they confiscated a medieval chastity belt from a woman's luggage. The woman, seemingly oblivious to the historical implications of her possession, insisted it was merely a piece of novelty jewelry. But the oddities don't stop there. Picture this, a bag writhing, squirming, full of eels. This was the reality at Miami International Airport in 2012. A passenger aiming to board a flight to Maracaibo, Venezuela, was found to be carrying a bag filled with 373 live eels. The eels were promptly seized, and the passenger was fined for smuggling wildlife. These strange tales serve as a reminder of the unpredictability that airport security officials face every day. They bear witness to the sheer range of items that people attempt to transport, from the macabre to the downright absurd. It's a world of constant surprises where the mundane task of scanning luggage can turn into an adventure at any moment. It's a strange world out there, and airport security gets a front row seat. Drugs are a common find for airport security, but some methods of concealment are more creative than others. Let's delve into some instances where illicit substances have been discovered, often hidden in ways that might leave you speechless. Take, for instance, a case from a few years back at an airport in South America. Security staff found a whopping 700 grams of cocaine, not stashed in a suitcase or a carry-on, but inside plaster replicas of the World Cup trophy. You heard that right, the World Cup trophy. Talk about a foul play. Then there was this incident in the United States where a woman was attempting to board a flight with a fully cooked chicken. A routine inspection revealed that the poultry wasn't packed with stuffing, but rather with over 2 pounds of methamphetamine. It's safe to say that this was no ordinary Sunday roast. And who could forget the time when an Australian man tried to smuggle 2 live pigeons strapped to his legs, hidden beneath his trousers? Upon further inspection, airport security found 2 eggs in a vitamin container and a stash of illicit seeds, all in the man's carry-on luggage. In Europe, a man was found with over 100 capsules of cocaine in his stomach, a risky and dangerous method of smuggling known as body packing. He was caught during a routine check when he showed signs of physical discomfort. But it's not just drugs. In Asia, a man was stopped for carrying what seemed to be 2 regular cans of chips. Upon opening them, security found they were filled not with crispy snacks, but with stacks of counterfeit money. These stories are a stark reminder of the reality airport security staff face every day. The creativity and audacity of smugglers know no bounds, and neither does the vigilance of those who work tirelessly to keep us safe while we travel. The lengths people will go to smuggle drugs can be mind-boggling. But let's not forget, it's the relentless efforts of airport security that ensure these illicit attempts don't take flight. These stories highlight the importance of diligent airport security. As we've traversed through the wild array of items discovered by airport security, from live creatures to weapons and the strange and bizarre to drugs and other illicit substances, it becomes glaringly obvious why airport security is not just a trivial protocol but a necessity. Yes, we've had our laughs at the outrageous and the unthinkable, but let's take a moment to appreciate the men and women in uniforms who ensure our flights are safe. Their diligence and training allow them to spot these objects, some of which could cause serious harm or disruption. For every snake hidden in a sock, there's a story of a potential ecological disaster averted. For every weapon, an act of violence prevented. And for every oddity, a reminder that while the world is full of wonder, rules and regulations are in place for a reason. Now you may ask, What happens to those who dare to flout these rules? Well, consequences vary depending on the severity of the offense. They could range from fines to imprisonment or even lifetime bans from flying. In some cases, the discovery of illicit substances or dangerous weapons could lead to more significant criminal charges. The ripple effects of such actions could impact not just the individual, but their families, their communities, and even their countries. Airport security isn't just about keeping the skies safe. It's about maintaining order, protecting ecosystems, and preventing the spread of dangerous substances. It's a global effort to safeguard humanity from the threats we pose to ourselves and to each other. So, the next time you're packing for a trip, remember these stories. Consider the hardworking individuals who will be scanning your luggage and the serious implications if you decide to ignore the rules. Next time you're at the airport, remember these stories and make sure you're not the next feature in a video about the craziest things found by airport security. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, safe travels.